Uh, Today we are going to solve the example 7.4 of Griffith 4th edition Introduction to Electrodynamics. The example 7.4 is a metal disk of radius A rotates with angular velocity omega about a vertical axis through a uniform field pointing up. A circuit is made by connecting one end of the resistor to the axle like this, and the other end is a sliding contact, end to a sliding contact. This is the sliding contact, which touches the outer edge of the disc, as shown in figure 7.15. Find the current in the resistance. That is our ultimate task. This is the diagram which shows there is a disk which rotates along the axle, and we have sliding contact at the axle as well as at the end of this disk sliding contact. This is both are sliding contact. Then our task is we have to find the current across this resistance, and the magnetic field is upward like this. So now our task is to find the current through this resistor. So we know the Lorentz force by definition is F is equal to Q multiplied by V cross P. This is a cross product. According to right hand rule, V cross P is radially outward, that is towards the rim of the disk. So velocity at radius R is defined as V is equal to R omega. Then the induced electric field E is equal to V multiplied by P. Which is equal to, we know this V is equal to R omega. So I have replaced V by R omega. So the E is equal to R omega P. Just now we have seen the induced electric field is E is equal to R omega P. So the differential EMF is, that is differential EMF, I mean here you take a small radial element TR. TR is a small radial element. So then what is a TE? Differential electric field. T is the differential electric field. In order to differential EMF. So in order to find the EMF, you integrate both right side and left side. So left side it will become E. Right side you take omega P outside the integral. You are integrating from 0, that is origin of the axle, to the radius of the disk A. So this R I am keeping inside the integral R dr, which is equal to half this. If you integrate R, you will get R squared over 2. I am taking that 1 over 2 outside. Then R squared, I have to apply the limit 0 to A. Upper limit is A, lower limit is 0. So don't worry about lower limit. If you apply the upper limit, you will get half omega P A squared. Then what is I? By definition, I is equal to EMF, electric field, over divided by R, which is equal to, I am dividing this by R. 1 over 2 omega P A squared over R. This is the current that flows across the resistor. If you find this lecture helpful one, kindly subscribe. Also share and join my channel for the growth of my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video continuously and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.